let me guess what your trading looks like right now. You have watched countless of videos, followed dozens of pro traders, tried strategy after strategy, and yet your results haven't changed. To be honest, you're still stuck exactly where you started, confused, inconsistent, and wondering what you can do to make this actually work. And you feel some progress, and then it slips away again. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most trading strategies don't work because they are not tested or they don't fit your routine. So ask yourself, if a strategy is not testable, repeatable, and scalable, why waste time on it? This struggle helped me to learn, okay, what do traders actually need? What do I need to succeed? And this is the reason why we started Profectus.AI, the platform where traders can automate their trading plan. We have automated ICT concepts, supply and demand concepts, support and resistance, structure patterns, chart patterns, whatever trading style you have, we have automated it over the past years, and you can now use these templates and these lessons for free in Profectus.AI. Join now, start building and automating your trading plan.